Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A56, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. For me, that will be the home screen, which is already open and visible on my screen. And once that is open on your device, simply hold your power button and volume down at the same time, or more precisely click them. You will get the flash of the borders, a pop-up with edit, tag, share, and Google Lens, along with that T being able to detect text from the screenshot. Now, as you just seen, it does disappear after a moment, so once it disappears, you can find your screenshot in your gallery application, and if you have just captured it, it will be visible under, well, today, or you can navigate into albums, view all, and here you'll find an album called Screenshots. In this album you'll find strictly screenshots and nothing else, which makes it much easier to locate any kind of old screenshot that you might be looking for. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.